Hello, good morning. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. I'm out here. I'm going to talk a little bit about my peppers and my tomato plants. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into the shade house right here. And so yeah, pick over some of my tomatoes. And this year, I'm experimenting more with a couple of vegetables. You know, I am a fruit tree gardener at heart, but I said, let me try some different things. So this is one of my tomato plants, and it's doing good here. And we got the Everglade one right there. You see the flowering. I put some pieces of onion in here because I'm gonna grow onions in there. I've noticed like last year when I tried a tomato plant or two, when I put some onions in there, um, it helped with the, as far as the diseases, spider mites or what have you, stop attacking. So I just threw some pieces of onion in there to stop because it was attacking some of the tomatoes, and it seemed to have stopped it within the last 2 days until the tomatoes that's in there grow. So as you can see, I just got this cardboard box in a crate and some good soil, and I got a marigold over there, so that seemed like it's helping with that. This one is going to be a little bit more bushy, so I decided I'm going to grow onions. I actually got onions in both of the boxes, but yeah. So these boxes will degrade, and I think all that will help the tomato plant. So that's what I decided to do there. So let's come over here. Garden is so peaceful. A little bit of rain today. Oh, first of all, let me just show you. I just love this shrimp plant. This is what this is. This is a shrimp plant. This is so beautiful. I love it. And I actually have another one, but it's not. Let me see. It's not doing too well yet. Well, it's a smaller planter. All right. So I actually also upgraded my stackables. It was time for me to actually clean them out, so because they were looking kind of horrible and dirt was looking all dead. So I just upgraded that. Also, I had this little planter here. So this little planter I had here, it really had nothing in it, and basically I was just throwing my garden crap in it, and the bottom rusted out and it fell. So let me see if I can show you this right here. See, we put one of those grates underneath it, switch the bottom out, and these right here, there's some plants that I put in there. See if you can see it if I step back. And I just put a shade cloth in there because, of course, this is direct sunlight hitting the thing, and that seems to just attack the plants. All right, so, here's the new addition to the garden, and you see those little, see, peppers right here. This is a cubano sweet pepper. And we like sweet peppers. I'm not into hot peppers. So this one right here, that's a Shushito sweet peppers. Those are still small. Another Cubano. Let's see. I'm gonna go around here, and this is the jalapeno. Let's see these little starting to grow little jalapenos right here. And here we come over here, and these are the tomatoes. So see the tomatoes. So what I did is I kept pinching off the tomatoes because I wanted the plant to grow first, so it could be a lot stronger. And then now I'm going to allow the tomatoes to grow. And I'll step back here, and you can see how they're growing. If you see my previous videos, you've seen how small the plant was. And this right here, soon I'm going to take the top off of that, and that's another. Now this is a hot Cajun cayenne pepper right here. You probably can hardly see it. And I'm just protecting that just to give it a little bit more growth. And that's because I'm going to, when I ever get sick or get a cold, I usually take cayenne pepper and put it in hot water with some lemon, and that seems to help me. And this right here is the exactly what it says, a mouthful. And look at the little peppers. So you got some little peppers on it, growing. Some peppers in the back. So what I did with her is just put a little shade cloth on her because the sun hits directly down, right? And I just stuck her in between the strawberry guavas. And look at the strawberry guavas. They just going to town. They have flowers on them. Flowers up there. See if I can show you. See the flowers up there. Flowers. And I have 2 of those. Okay. And yeah. So that's basically what I was just showing you, that I'm venturing out into growing some vegetables. I will always be, my main priority will always be fruit trees because it's just easier. And if I don't feel like doing a vegetable, then it doesn't matter. My fruit trees will always be here because they'll always give you some type of fruit, right? That's easier to me to do. But I decided, let me go ahead and try some, vegetable edibles. Look at that Okinawa spinach right there. When I put it in there, it was just like a little stick, and it's just growing. And I could took back there. And we got some basil and some cranberry hibiscus. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Trying to introduce a little bit of the vegetable gardening. And I'm only putting in there exactly what we're going to eat. I'm not going to just be growing random things. I saute a lot of peppers, and we eat a lot of tomatoes. So that's why I'm into peppers and tomatoes. And it also makes it easier for me to grow exactly what I'm going to eat, right? Okay, so hopefully you're having an enjoyable day. We got a little rain, which we needed here where I'm at in Zone 10A, formerly 9B, Central Florida. And hopefully you're having a very blessed day. Goodbye.